Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku Buslan, February 20, 2024, 4-star Sudoku. Sixth row, we have 2, 3, 4. The three number can't come the three cells. It will come in one of the three cells. We'll confirm later. Then fourth grade, three numbers are remaining. 1, 5, 8. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then sixth row, two numbers are remaining. 6 and 7. Column E, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Fifth row, we have 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then fifth grade, three numbers are remaining. 5, 8, 9. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then fourth row, three numbers are remaining. 3, 5, 8. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then sixth grade, fifth row, three numbers are remaining. 1, 6, 7. It will come in one of these cells. Column H, column I, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then only two numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column G, column I, 8th grade. Column A, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column G, column I, 7th row, 8th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 8th row, 9th row, column F, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column F, 9th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column E, column F, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column A, column C, we have 7. 9th row also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 7th row and 9th row we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. 7 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. 8th row and 9th row we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then 7th grade. Two numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. First row, third row, we have 9. Column D also we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then column D, column F, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then only two numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. 9th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column F, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column D, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 4, 8. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column F, we have 8. So it can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. First row, we have 5. So 5 can't come the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then second grade, only 1 numbers remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column F and 8th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 5, 6. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. The ninth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column G, third row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column G, first row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. First row, second row, column A, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then column B, column A, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. Column B, we have 8. So it can't come this, 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column B, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this, 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column B, third row and first row, we have pair numbers 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column C, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Fourth grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 4. Column C, we get 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then column C, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Column A, we have 2. So 2 can't come this cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column A, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column H, third row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column G, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. 8th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. Column G, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 9th grade and 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. Column I, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column I, column H, we have 5. So 5 can't come in these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. Column I, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. Column I, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column I, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Second grade, column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 4. Second row we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Second row we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, then 4 is confirmed here. Third grade, two numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. First row we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.